Hey guys, welcome back to Craft Kingdom. This is Urja and today we'll be making a lantern. In Hindi it is also called as Kandil. So it's really pretty and let's get started. So first of all take a 27 by 14 centimeter rectangle. You can take whichever color you want. Apply glue to one of its edges. And then fold it into a cylindrical shape and paste it nicely. Aside for now. Then take a square of 7 by 7 centimeters and paste its two opposite corners together. You have to make 6 of them of each color. You can use any color, you can use one single color. I have used 2 colors and you totally need 12 of them. I use 6 of each color and now you have to paste them on your cylinder which you made on each by each. You can paste it at the bottom also, on the top also. I pasted it in the center. Nicely stick it and press gently, and now you have to repeat it all through the diameter of it. You can use alternate colors, one yellow and one green, or you can do it 2 yellows or 2 greens, which you like. You have to do it whole around. The lantern is ready, and somehow I forgot to record that footage, or I guess that got deleted, so I just forgot maybe. So it's all completed right now. I just decorated it all and it's looking really pretty, and I completed all those square one. I applied small glitter flowers in the center of each one. I applied some beads on both the sides and a lace. If you don't have a lace, you can make it from paper as well. I applied on the both sides and I cut it out the paper. I pasted it from the inside, and when it was whole pasted, I cut out the thin strips, and now I just have to cut a bunch of them because bunch of them are thick. So let's do that. And I also added a string on top to hang it, but right now let's cut those strips thin. So guys, our Kandil or lantern is ready. So this is how it looks like, and I'm really sorry for the footage. I don't know, somehow it got deleted, and so I just told you whatever I did, and this is how it looks like. I kind of liked it. It's really pretty. So I just added some shiny these. If you want, you can add some glitters, and I really like this thing. So this is how it looks like, whole fully completed. So I may not be able to upload a video tomorrow as it's my birthday on 10th of November. So if you guys want to wish me, you should subscribe to Crafting Kingdom, and you can mail me your wishes on my email ID craftingdom10@gmail.com. And you also might notice I got a haircut. Yeah, so back to the Kandil. This is what it looks like, and I think it's pretty decent. You can make 2-3 of them and hang it in the corners of your room, of your dining room, outside your houses. So if you like this video, share the video, subscribe to Craft Kingdom. Till then, goodbye.